Welcome to my channel, Tiny Tales English Stories. Today you can see English short stories for beginners. Robinson Crusoe, Chapter 2. The Storm. The next day our ship is slow because the wind is weak. Then the wind grows strong, and we move quickly. Suddenly, a big storm arrives. This storm is much worse. I am scared, and so are the men. The waves are huge, like mountains. I see other ships tossed around like toys by the waves. I want to go home. The storm is very bad, and the men begin to pray to God for help. Then, one man sees a hole in our ship. Water is rushing inside. It's a bad situation. Many men go down to pump the water out. I'm too scared to move, but a man tells me to help. I go down and start pumping the water out with them. Then, I hear a gunshot. It's a signal from our captain that we are in big trouble. Our ship is broken and filling with water. We work hard, pumping the water out, but it keeps coming in. Finally, the storm calms down, but the ship is full of water. We need help. We see another ship. The men from that ship send a small boat to rescue us. They take us to their boat. After 15 minutes, our big ship sinks into the water. We are safe on the small boat. We see land ahead. When we reach the shore, people on the beach help us. They even give us some money. I decide to go to London. In London, I meet a captain who's going to Africa. I think I can make money there. The captain explains the trade and tells me what to buy. The journey to Africa goes well, and I make a lot of money. I am happy and want to travel more. The captain teaches me how to steer the ship. I go to Africa again. The journey starts well, but soon we see a pirate ship. The pirates chase us, and their ship is fast. They attack us, and we cannot win. The pirates capture us, and now we are their prisoners. Thanks for watching the story. Please subscribe my channel